Hi everybody! I will repair the hole in the t-shirt. Prepare POLYFLEX. Cut as needed. Make a picture of a star. Cut according to the picture. Draw 3 more stars. Then, cut it. Fix the t-shirt. Insert the paper into the t-shirt. Prepare the iron and set it to maximum temperature. Stick the POLYFLEX until the hole is closed. Cover with paper. Then, rub it with an iron. The scrubbing time is 30 seconds. Let it sit until it's not hot. Remove the mask. Like this, it's better. You can try it. This is of course strong, even though the t-shirt is often washed. Hopefully it can be useful for you.